I'm going to show you how to apply your foundation with one of my favourite tools, a flat foundation brush. There's so many different types of tools on the market, such as beauty blenders, buffer brushes, stiffling brushes, but this is definitely one of my favourites. This brush really has stood the test of time and delivers a flawless application. What I love about this brush is the gradient bristles on it, and these act as a guide to help you determine how much foundation is exactly going onto the brush. Using small short strokes, I like to work around from the centre of the face outwards, up around the T-zone area, around the nose, all blending evenly. It really delivers a smooth application, and this brush can be used with liquid or cream foundations. The bristles are tapered, so they really get into any fine lines or creased areas in the skin. It will evenly distribute the foundation, and what I love about this brush is that you can layer the foundation by dabbing. I'm not streaking or pulling, just dabbing, depending on how much coverage you desire.